shares na yes shares na any deal me ho gas kun o che ko otu for nti ko na ho amo no so bi sia ma otu ya fo kama if you want to circle na about in so a vice president bomb fire man obokone bana yinye onyenye
nana jina ye ma me interest wo nana hima ho a mokoye any empire wo boma Dr. Baumia. I've been trying to find out how significant sa empire no nana bi
who hear you pa asante mantem de ba aye tumi a war na hima ho ye nyina ba and to adult na no one who no ekata ye otunfo the koye ne nana abegine nsemu nhira na okutu no god ne so good na hu hia ye pa hu hia ene nsemu a okaye e de good no ya de hu hia se unya na anya ma o de so good no catch us so media wudi na ya nyame koso ano mo ban na obako wani koso ano very significant. Very significant.
Okay, but no reception mbia mwako any messenger mode emma electric no it is saying
very I mean welcoming. So you free a year or 2 for 1 year, you need to street new one be asking. You could share, you do my dear co a year resto stop over for mena.
Okay,
a man, a call new to be asking, new to be asking your courier, a year 1 district, 1 factory class 1 awards that for commission year. We only to rise processing. You feel your bar, you to be asking now, you're very big, their backgrounds are you see. Ediama eye you just for on him almost no abuja gadete edemaye if you ho eba shabuso and no other safupa and also a very big facility for education yeah at 12 units and also no there one on yeah ne on abuti hamon eti o hwe bebia e ko ye bia na yo hospital where could be and also a war a year and a sofa patrimony as a committee and ye kunano ye be some panam nemu to do not yet this will na ya pa and also want to ma ko bojo sangu ni be yue the choir in so in human near your ho a year the choir in patrimony na applying na ya ye eti nyamye no mukoni o share reception a year his excellency the vice president enyaya eye arishumu eye nkwanche na ye enije sonko eno na ye de tu e sha si free mampo e ko na na mampo henzo da sebre asebonsu kon ho nkudi nkomo aye yiyi akwan bi ewo eye se kofia se utri mampo ko na mo 14 kilometers e hwa nso na asem ewo na some hono ye see another warehouse and the national vice president eco commission here and sana 14 kilometers national o ma ayi be 70% and so no yes I here inspection was so asan ye ban suta you can buy to monikers so we share infrastructure now cost was monikers dormitory near siamon 200 bed dormitory and a 12 unit classroom block very big one and then also yes no yokopa untoma if you could sit up if you sit up or people so if people so for man about people no ewo eye afija kwabere east eye honorable members in council board a constituency if you ho enaja yesai eba aguna anu so no aguna man hinu abodwa esade ma his excellency the vice president
okay
and you could be your ehwazongo before ehwazongo do no you call a year what's in the door and also yeah, another project under one district 142 and also there could be and also one in the you may get in review a Adom and I am the public east a honorable Francis or Mensa constituency. Yesterday was also another overwhelming reception at the from the Nippon Hall. Now, any just maybe I could be ano, the number of beer who are no and 4 more for Nana. I said 4 more for Nana up to the passing. Tony Parkumaso, the pass from me.
Okay.
Now, that's a bros able to my hand.
Yeah.
You drew my point, okay. A year vice president, the baby of a team can be an energy. No, whom say, send me an argument was a dog, an argument was a bogan. Now, dear, or we shouldn't walk. Now, GD said, or that's how bad will be Abanahim fee as a vice president. It's a baby of Koyabiano, you saw you or something, and then the crop was free. A year at Yassi, a radio interview on a paper, Teddy, Yakusha as a correct. And Cosacre Zungu. You made the blue a year under a Pijasa or correct, near Befi Jassi, if a Jassi Gabbing. Gabbing, you made the one that should don't factory blue on Sunday a year commissioning. Sana Nana Abena Abuja as I Amaye.
Okay.
If you are near a useful constituency.
Okay, Nana answer near Beba and then Miami Amubekono. Manangel response on Asamoah Vice President Kokan or Brekete. Say under NDC, no, 2 factories per and a woman AC and no national organizer of the NDC, Joshua Akamba. Ede Atuja say, and no credit. Because under them, no, I'm supporting countless individuals to set up factories, including those are almost building from scratch. Nana.
And I think you know factories built on the sea. No, see the boy man, no, I'm not organizer by I don't know. Say and then this, you know, I'm factories are almost you know, a guinea a day. See. You can't be one because you see, almost year who did the Commander Sugar Factory, and I was able to add my and I did review and I'm betting as I can. Almost 10 on the country, or more 4 on the country. So in 8 years, we see it.
I see.
See, the Asante region inquire one. Your 28.
28 factories.
Yes.
Completed.
11. Brand new.
Okay.
11. Nanra Mampong. Any quabrain Patamono. Yedikai SI, say in Shuta, another rice processing factory beer, no, 78% complete. Tiani opinion no message in common. In Fidiane, any money in an war, what I'll make in number, I'll baby. And Sana Meka Matato bracket a hodi, Anna, Ray, Oko, Piposwa, Sutahonano, Bafosao, and Sana Masaka, Western, the Devil, Saka, so, Timpatum, one aliens. O Mampeniba and Anwan on Oba Pro. A year Konongo Council, a year reader, steel and iron, and no football before I drew a year Konongo Nano, who took Master our left, very big thing. It's just on top of my head, no crime, but you can be illuminated natural. In a century region alone. Now, no, Casapreco. No more why you knew that say a factory, but your mom new plant. Yaji Sika, it's Sika, Sadia Sumu. Over 20 million. A more upon new plant, almost a year food processing factory. New. What did you know, Casapreco? But this factory, no, I chassis and it's different. Montpellier could be none more bastard in Montemon. It is Omampenya can some now fees with to Kapaya. Now we call the Uzu names number. Yeah, we
I see.
In a country, 28, 11.
Okay, Kakra 28 now Ashanti region no 11 no if you can help baby a war and what sort of factories are we looking
at? On top of my head no crowd and I'm can't break a show or new Maka in Shuta Bokope Poswa and now baby a full back with Macan watch and a massacre Western the Diatro. Maka was a president by a Sako a year reader. Still an iron, and also walk on a book on a Macan watch. And a massacre a Yakasa to buy a very new plant, brand new. A demon in better, a Juwedian through Macan watch. So I have the old mommy broke one and commit maybe a mamma now.
And who hear me, Pa and Abi, so that we can set the records straight. Yeah.
No, auntie. See, and come on, you know, and yes, sir, BB, and I said, we now bonus sleep on or can be. It is a year open me. A year, I come on to go payana.
Yes.
So, no fees, Ebia or BB obey me the better than the other country. Then yes, over Katu and the Ebia. I have the list here. Gigi, Mamma good. In Ashanti region, Maka Western, they're located at Waguna City. They engage in rice production. Agro African Limited, only located at Wasankare, Ashanti in South, only engaged in production and processing of poultry feed and omniaki. And your war a year Abebu Express, almost located over Asokori Mampe.
Express because I'm writing them down.
Abebu Express.
Abebu, okay.
Almost engaged in a year fruit and juice production. Omo mam Asokori Mampe. And a maka kasapeko new plants here so say a dino and your data. But say you made no a fufu. Yes, I do media under one year loan facility from GCB and Exim Bank. And Yamomo technical assistant. And Yamomo that full capacity of my. Your Kaskani AASKAZINI. And we are located with the choir municipality. We engage in palm kernel oil processing. And you a year. Reader Horn and Steel Ghana Company Limited. And I'm calling some more Konongo as I'm chatting. Or more on Konongo Panoswa Kakaka Okwa or left. Your Bacon Hill Industry Limited, located on Mokumasi, or mere manufacturers of high quality floating fish feed. A more and your war sucking cheap bamboo production. Only located with Guapa at Tumangwa Beja district. Your prestige diamond industry only located with Kumasi Metropolis. Only engaged in tomato paste production and packaging. And there was Santino's fine meat and sausage. Almost no Wachuma, Kwangoma, only in processing of meat and employment. And I walk a year jabbing, and they say you call jabbing oil mill. I was engaged in processing palm nut into edible, vegetable, and industry food. Right? It is handling for your Premier Food Limited. Your Osebi Unique Ventures. Your Best Fertilizer Company Limited. And your Jute Company Limited. Royal Jute Company, Amansia West District. Best Fertilizer for Ashanti Achim South. And Osebi Unique Ventures for Nonsono, a war a year Kumasi Metropolis. A Premier Food Limited for and so to South. It's a 2 million at Tracy.
Okay, sir, 11. and I brand new, but I'm church hey, okay, I've counted about 14 so far. Ni abuo is here, be 14. Na it's a kasapre kono de enye brand new.
Brand new. Ana makasa kasapre kono ni na ensa no den. Sa plant here ya be ya processing to use brand new. E dini ni nim dada. Duma de ni duma de fofo.
I see.
But that's what I say.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. And you see, but some factories be say now still the issue of unemployment. So tell us precisely how many people how many jobs are we looking at? Some factories here.
Why the 78, amma in 10,953 jobs.
10,000.
953 jobs. But only BB.
Me too.
In every district, in every district, in Fidijuma Pio, to say among Amado Danko Kufado, to me na, what Timmy Eddie, I saw a year, Uncle Juma Diamu, and near buying near to me in Fidijuma 78 taba. The first term, a overwhelming. And then this is become within gay.
I see. Well, it's not, and then I have an money chair, Nana.
And you better say a year as a career, a Fijasa Sokore, and also a Fijasa Sokore constituency. If you have Fijasi, if you are near core gathering, if you have a just constituency. The local boundary, the local ascending home, and the rock, and the baby beginning now as you should.
Okay, now I'm going to manage Accra.
There be afterwards.
Okay, move here.
Yes.
All right. Now I'm now asking your friends here.
See, now, I'm going to say more.
Me too.
Then you will because the Missouri will be able to spend it.
Me too, Nana.
No question, Professor Jena no Pukazima. What J pay be 2 months 1 year Duma and another side for craft Akuma school they say extend the contract
Mati Bibisa.
Now 1 year for you.
And Metifat and Renumre and Assassin the Metea and as we speak, my team is working on it. Yeah, then you mind Sabe can be an elbow to Jabad Mati.
Okay. And I want to say, Mama Jean, the cat about.
Yes.
A catano, what you have to say, I am past. No, you're part time lecture. Now you get a cat August, September. Now, our intentions were very fun this is Gano. And if you move to cat out, and so on. Now you cat out, that and Sana. You know, as a year running me. But what science you want to watch it?
Yes.
Okay. Is it making some critical? Obian one ma or attacking ma. But I think say ma one yadi. And we share issue and the bind. Share. You power you can. It's a couple of betterments. It is a what you do cry say. Oh, Krata will try and send your power funding data. I know some what toilet a cannon will revoke it. So, intention will let her now talk for him. And 1 year. If you are 2 months, I won't have a 2 accounts. So, can you send me the PA? And tell me, quiet you. This is a clear hallmark of a dishonest person. Seriously. And wait, sir, be about that. Yeah, on penny, and I say, wolf, she and I say, a foul. Ah, Yamin Fasama. And I will pay on my penny a bit of break. What you pay 2 months? I blame you, Sika. Won't refund me. And yet, and Penjoni been out for Casa Semia. Come for Kratama also, one who said 2 accounts 2 months new. Because what the August there, and what is September there. And then you October. Say after and Kawa dream the second refund. First month in your channel, you did not refund. Second month you did not refund. Then what I was I can say, oh, let our friends one prayer and your power. Your man we year on Montpellier bed from 2-4 at the man in this tree.
But Nana, don't you think that it would be only fair for investigations or proper?
I don't think the Kabusa and Sembisa was watching.
Yes.
They have seen your can watch them. But every seen them, remember who crack yes, what didn't Sasha say. But Busa,
in fact, I've been combing my phone trying to get that response. But me nyaya na keep me agina so atwetwe come on. But me nyaya nti no. It will be unfair. Say you beka ho asem without say me hu sa release ni dia na keep me agina so atwetwe come on.
M11 say me see Jimu di pa woni fojo. Na mo hwehwe ade we pay be 2-3 days be. Fojo we hifa. Fojo pa. For your country, the money will
Nanabi. Wadaroma, Odiama, a few hours, and then let me work on this. Medasi. Henry Nanabuache, National Youth Organizer of the MPP, na Meneno Atreche and Common. Imagine having a soundtrack that simply reflects your mood every day of the week. Now, imagine getting money every week just because of that song. So, MTN Kola Tunes, Ufre will be a new ya boy, Bugu Asuma, and San and Nipakrono, Wafa. And look at me discover Google to Kum. Wahum. Enti Shannon so, ubeti me enya 1,000 cities. Now, what should be ana 4,000 cities. Busumi be ana so grand prize of 15,000 Ghana cedis. Channel. So just download your favorite song via MTN Caller Tunes channel. Copy a caller tune or renew your existing caller tune and win big because we are good together. Channel. So yes, we are say send it start to 1355. Send it start START to 1355. And also dial it *1355 hash. Now, we're going to subscribe it. And one no, share so send like a crowd. We there for you everywhere you go. UMB add that customers in say some kind of World Global Client Service Week. And Asadanwa and UMB say. Yanfa and customers are money omo say dear value customer, thank you for choosing UNB as your most trusted and preferred banking partner. Your unflinching support and loyalty to us over the past 48 years has allowed us to bring you superior banking services while digitizing your experience with our suite of wonderful products and services, including the convenient UNB Speed app, our range of UNB Visa and Union Pay debit cards, and our internet banking platforms. In the answer that, and UNB, Edema will be Ibia. Ma answer UNB demo Bibia. Mamenko Humano so na mene DSP are in upon or Central Regional Police PRO. Meneno and train common ya free University of Cape Coast the latest but menene ba twetwe komo join him on Facebook na fe videos na yen saka no ya de bia gu Facebook DSP akwaba
yeah
I want one hode
nyame adom bonko
video am hwe ne ma o mo kika mu European yo ya say yo dey important DSP
yo me that the woman say video na go round and now say visuals na moving police astray the biasa ni yenya report biasa and ye UCC security so edin sawo so pa ya cross check so almost say biasa insi patch on social media from moi
I see. And I'm getting some baby as a video if you know mobile mushimu number who baby a free and
pepe ye bayan and again also you see in kwa ocha community now they compare post metropolis you see in kwa ya mom patrol cars police patrol cars the bien patrol I so no regional commanders so abon who go then Asia who so honest na so around abon security test and I think we are not moving was so your numbers near day eja and see I think because them and one was say this particular say it's me just this debate procedure.
And the DSP, who see so many Bibi Sabia NC our university campus hall.
Bibi NC video now around police in distance report and authorities so I know daily university security and vice chancellor no France every day upon a corner on also report be as free home by
DSP wait message be a misakana and a payer from a student and was sending me pictures and videos near the maybe you can help calm the nerves and the tension on campus. I say CJ, the school authorities have been silent on this matter for a very long time. And as a result, anytime an incident happens, they try to cover it up so that the school's name will not be dragged into a mess. Last night's incident was very true, but the school authorities want to deny it because they don't care for the well-being of the students. All they know is what will benefit them and not the students. CJ, can you believe that the security men on the school campus are less than 200 and they are only at post at daytime and not at night? No, the council. I trust you, and I know you will help us, please. And you know, I don't know. DSP.
Yo, me host. Oh, university there. Obio obeko be an 1 bina onya 18 years, but majority of them are adults. And now, Crown Port Nico Police Station. And to pull so was that information now. Bomode district commander. What they catch and so 1% over a person in the not one can handle. And me want to say at this stage, you know, they have a responsibility to say on one someone play part when it comes to their duty. It is that information here. Yes, so police station never and now play Mr. Authorities no air cover or more ma. Once invest in here yet there was there, we more right. I will name the mandate of police. Again now.
Well, yeah. I think.
Yeah, moving for. Yeah, moving. Opa pray 18555. Never my information is rather. Later we will move.
I see. Okay. DSP, in the course of me show, you mess up for you. I'm working on a few things. It's mess up for you now. You have to train and come on. Why?
Me patcho videos no so ka beti ama will produce and
I'll do that. Me for the amount. I have about 6 of them on my phone. And my name is CNT. Me for the amount right away. Why? All right. DSP Irene Upon is the Central Regional Police PRO. Niema Kokoso University of Cape Coast. Total Taxi Club in Wayade. A driver for Huraso. Yeah, up to 6,000 Ghana cedis. Group personal accident insurance cover. Bia wepra na wanya kwenshia bia ultimately twetwa ho. Na fei a driver for 300. Wamunya free fuel. Busumi bia ye a driver for 300. Na yamamu free fuel. Na oye uwo deda na we invite a driver for 5. Ede womo ebeka ho a. Eh? And also so achede wo ho. Enti bo run Total filling station dia. Na co register free we register Total Trucks card no free. na fi woto petrol woto diesel wo sesa oil ne shop ya be no shop ni mu ni ade nyina no aha na unya chede unya point sana de no TNT Jack join the best club in Ghana, the Total Truxy Club. Total Truxy Club still a bosso kake we be do bia kwa dukumi atena se wano to tena ena na nakua champ masafo adu nso so atena se ono so ye me lead auto singer ono so atena se badansa na memo akwa aba no mze kofi bon na no pa ma me se meti ni o school ni ba ko University of Cape Coast mene no atwetwe enkoma Benson
CJ
at the saying
Nyame Adom now sure
Nyame Adom ho ye tell us then what is happening on campus Benson
CJ you see ahanum there me for the very first day me see me nyan our hana me share student penny no in one way or the other they don't care about the welfare of the students because incident it could have been prevented because the America channel former HRC president now on my friend Sir John any aka 2 weeks the treasure or put measures in place in a way to care so called science I want na yele most of our lectures here theaters me war and see what they have been doing is here one put shuttles anywhere you are on campus I do be honum but this administration na Mumbai no Mumbai sha ayi na Mumbai you every honum and see last night what happened was that na me mo lecture theater ba ko e friend no ki aka lecture here and then the incident that happened took place at LOT. That's one of our biggest auditorium. So when the Arabic came around, the Mama Gada students in our infantry, and then the Mama Kacha share mobile phones and laptop, and the Adebia a valuable Arupa and Fambra. And to me, you know,
Sabra no na security at work campus security no way.
At that time, no, that car can lecture main lecture theater no incidents in happen, you know. There were no security man around.
Now, Bob is saying, Benson.
Now, about 10:30 get into 11
p.m.
Patrai.
Okay, plus money.
In Timmy, you know, you know, his different lecture theater and no. Anna, your ma alarm share, Shana Badia, the each and every student have to vacate the lecture theater and then go back to his also or the hall. And to me, a banner channel here, no, on a random journey back to the hall. So what happened to the other students that were in that lecture theater was that Mamoji mobile phones near, you know, and some of them were able to go back to their hall and name on hosters back.
Idea who, sir, I'm Robertsy, who
and I mentioned Shamianka Shanka dear. Now at that particular place in the Namini Honum, by young students, Nana war at that way, lecture theater, Nanami, you know. And the George videos Nami Shanimano.
Okay, is it true, sir? Some of the students, female students, didn't be your home. Yeah, you repeat one.
That's right. That was last week.
I see. Well, as we speak, school for more, you are living in fear.
You know the FT. Time I buy because I make COVID, much metro exams. Okay, yeah, back campus. But what are the measures being taken in place? We have to follow, be protected. And apart from that one, when they're coming back to campus, they laid down protocols over wherever you be going to, that learn from the lecture theater, you have to put on your nose mask. Can you believe, Kevin, with that one, you will go to lectures sometimes they don't check all those stuff.
I won't check nose mask, no.
I won't check it. Even washing off no plan, brown. I won't check it. But from Madame Fuba coming to our person, no, and can be.
Oh no, what scene, how baby and Robertson, no, attacking, no, hobby. And I now know what. But if I could get Obia, no, the center of Sa Nisi Yanwa, like I'm a terminal to come on about my money.
Okay, and I mentioned the number the amount.
That's fine. And my found see her. Why? Benson.
Okay,
all right. Sure. And I say more. Okay, Aquaba.
Yes,
Ibiaboko.
Adom Nsem.
CJ, once and I know
Hey,
I told you that me say a drobian kadem. Masa, yenya brew kromau. Yenya grow. CJ,
when you saw she
look into my face. What do you see in my face?
I don't see anything.
Holy Spirit, when in ye. When in ye. So be able to must have seen the whole night, man.
Hey, rehearsals and
me buy my num so shebe wangalo. Me coach how are you all fine?
Yeah, coach Papa. You, why yeah? Is that what you want?
Oh, me my eyes in baby. They say wa fashion. Master, ye nyam ni biase nyum nyina.
Hey,
master, ye nya bro.
Me say nyum be na rehearse.
Oh, say nyum mum bombastic. Mum phantom. Na de nyum. Mum bombastic.
Shaggy.
Debbie. I'm Shaggy say, "Want me promote to Ghana music?" Into the Debbie.
Me don't go international. Also a fashion. Who a local champion? Me near to when you are my.
Okay, Mami Acapella, Sana.
Bombastic Acapella. Oh, say how the name to
Debbie. Mami Acapella.
Okay. I me call. Manager me call. Okay, Mr. Bombastic, call me fantastic. Yeah, no, you better. Hey, go, smooth. Oh, Unadiana Muyami.
Debbie, allow.
When I'm intimidation, you cannot intimidate me.
Allow. Wait you.
I say smooth, just like a soca, soft and cold, young, like a good. I'm a lyrical lover. No take me for the floor. We must as well be easy. That know me well built. Oh me, oh my, whoa, can't you tell? I'm like that at the end. I'm imagining woo, bombastic. No, that means some major. And you know, I was all Jim on it. What I say? It was me, boy, also told it.
Okay,
my child bombastic. Well, look at version. Look, no, I got to you crop from me, I remix. Sure, woo, Mr. Bombastic.
Okay, Mammy Tiwe. I'm
Scope out to mana. You know this is that. Pass to one.
But ye penny mudaho. Yetimun said,
"Oh, I just sent it and some baby bam can I want to fat to go on and yakasa. Matubi, I come to two.
Okay, and you ben and Pesami by a cranium banner.
And then you might be one
in your beato.
Oh, more num too. So, me as a boy shall die.
Elsa died. Now I don't know the more bonami with their mamma.
I was me a man as was a oh, me a bomb. Well, say your bomb, no way.
No, the boy El Shaddai man on me back.
Okay.
What do come here? One quite when you saw. There's a say no better hire cuckoo and when
we are also better El Shaddai. Okay.
Patricia, and you must Kwakuka Sawa. And Emmanuel Jose Kwaku stop. And Nakia is the best and the nice voice. A Nanaji from Germany, and or then the other Kwaku shocking. Where your friend King Kwa. The Kodi, I say,
as I done in why, yeah, we know.
Where beside that when
Debbie M. Sanyanwa.
Ma utre bebebe ma dwen na erade ayewie erade
ekwa to base
eni so ehunade o na maso enti asem na ni friend enya kwancherefo a obede
ekwa she headset no
Senkenye radi ne woma fa. Wo baba. Agwa du kumi betrasi o. Enyira edu kumi. Kwaku wai.
Oba kwaku.
Kwaku bra. Kwaku why is kwaku? Kwaku mo rana bra.
Oba. We didn't be able to do me back. Okay, I am called. Oh, that's a new young. Now, Bombastic, no, Bombastic,
we are for it to mammy, Makoja for rubber. Where the party day today? No, darling, mama, I the same. Oh, darling, shake your body, Nyakono. No, darling, mama, I the best. Oh, you're crying out there, hey, take your body.
Takuma, to the area. You are hacking, mama,
I the same. No, shake your body, Nyakono. And I'm off when you, ye, mama, say, Quaquetia, and yet, I need any Fiani and Echo.
Hey, Helena Poundford was when ye yasin your gospel wine. What's in your yasin? By 1 way, yes. A Beatrice was sorry, or am not.
Okay, almost they will vote for the winner.
For the winner.
All
the way.
A queer
all the way.
They don't need
to vote. I didn't marry near you. We'll vote to review. Oh, there.
Maybe your listeners know who's a Omoba or the Betio.
Emmanuel J. or say Nana queer all the way.
Oh, where am I asked? Listeners don't win him.
Okay, Chris Kojo, so as I CJ Kwaku do all.
No, darling. And Benadam boy.
Okay. And I want to cry until you may in one way.
Why go?
Kwaku bro, brother, so do nipa. Then this was yes, no. Mope crash. We are not we account. Will it Sebe Sebe open gate will it Sebe Kontomi will it
Kwaku share headphone on a member. No dollar in the mouth.
No dollar.
You mammy, a show to you, you know, Bottom, maintain.
Why ready? Why ready?
Yes, I mean to make us out.
Eba.
What? Now then, I'm meant to go. Oh, la la.
Kwakuja na to ade no e.
Yo find me to meeting why the party there today? No, darling. Hey, mama, hey, I am beside. I want to check that baby. I didn't know Kino was so kaka.
But keep from.
I want to say
Hey, oh man, that's how you see it. Me and Koyan Koyan. Hey, mama, hey, beside. You make that to know. Don't you think it be a season? Oh, Benjamin, in the prayer make a you are dreaming. Better now, yeah. Yeah, you make that for no. Also, you know, go. Don't you know this? You are dreaming. Nanka better now, yeah. Tsunami, Kausrumo, Usuzu crew, don't you know, say something, Nanka better now, yeah.
Medasi.
Why the party go today?
say you are off.
Mama, take your body in that corner. Mama, I can't rap no.
Okay.
I can't
rap never.
I'm your name. What time of prevay? And two down. What time is it without that? Social media. And two down with that. I saw from try it. Yes, you without that. Oh, what I would done. So hold a punchline. Why am I rapping a call? Oh, Fatu.
Equia, last one for Equia.
Last one. Was about
Equia. Yanko.
They say I'm at 4. Makuno 4.
Equia Yanko. And you man a friend. And yet, your way. And I say, we
don't bury me. As
oh, result meaning to results. Hey, you ever go to Supreme Court? Results no mobile. Results no aba.
Saber my yes way.
Okay, na numresi. Numresi.
Say na what but ya me o. Kumi pagya na no na atrosa. That is a middle man.
Results no aba. Enti yakeka bibia bobo mu no.
We no anka samari. Che no anka samari. CJ
Kwakuto Basi.
Unim na
yakeka bibia bobo.
Declare me win na asem fa na asem ko. So why declare me win our ha? Me boys sleep anymore.
Na kwa champ masafo adu.
Wari
Enya out of 10. Na kwa champ masafo adu. Enya 8.
When you're saying 8, let's say -8.
Debbie. Enya 8 out of 10. And obidum bie kwa dukumi. Enya 4
out of 10. Now my woman's in it. I don't hear 10.
Debbie, and you made the equity with your free market.
Over 10. Obid Quenya 8 over 10. And now 4 over 10.
Debbie, I near 10.
Debbie, not 10.
It's 10 there. Well, also, book or talk, I say, I'm a roto. What is when I'm on the 8 plus 4 and 12.
Oh, there be also
marking scheme over 10.
Who the any for over 10?
8. Daily dispatch. Okay, daily dispatch. I say Abuja Paul will beat Mutawakilu for that mango seat.
Just as Equia has beaten Kwekwadukumi.
Where you beat? I go on a meeting. Oh, Debbie. I do have fun. I go on a meeting. CJ. I go on a meeting on a more serious note. I go on a meeting. Oh, CJ.
I remember Debbie.
CJ. I go on a Sebami Muang. You, whatever the uncle, yes, I would not probably and once a man or no, and Semika went home to the daily dispatch and no the buyer. And my margin some will be working so Mamma went to us some patch on a mean sorry.
Mamma daily graphic.
There be some winning team.
Oh, there be a winning team. No, a woman do a say at the end. And what in the end, and they yet say one more compensation aba into your barbecue. CJ, a barbecue mom. Now compensation, I'm Macassin be papa beer or so on or baby so on and now one in the Jano so. Obe compensate me, Messi Ube Sume, Ube Sume, with some no time yet, Obe compensate Ube or Papa Miss Mel.
Piano and a I asked him,
Diana de Abba, and see Yera Fredoware, Nymphony, the Hasse, what I say, what the Malans now or my share at a diamond penny for. And I feel
I say, don't worry, we will go to court.
Hey, what do I say about court?
Mother, you hear from my lawyers. When is that going to do, crewman? You want to joke with my brand?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Whatever, man, for the legal.
And I say a positive so a 2 hour chain no water no almost watching the pinsia and a phone for need I say was saying libraries are by basis in Kuano, Sikebe Komuno 3 million Ghana cedis and then also they are 20 quarter for 1 and 2 hours why.
I delegate. Quite your punk roman in phone in the house was in public can say 26 million euros be. Abamu when you forbid the UK Mekovia say Achibos in Ukraine, the Yachu Pia, and once some at the ha na in some bika women in the Wokratan or de Abba, and yes, Mampontine, Mampontine, they said, dear Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Bonabasso was so her opinion in Wabo Jumapa, and delegate of Bokratano, what the once Mabana, and I want to Makama, and a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Shata, the Fita, and Wabuni Mwasia, Chese, Watchanana, delegate, Osaka, Ubi Ewa, Ghanaian Times, or see. Is fake news. The news is fake and the fake is news.
Fake is news.
And the Ghanaian Times and so the ones some about. The teacher for exams no. Bribia Womunya and the Betron a Yantronia, you know. Minister for Education or say a non-negotiable. To some me winnie and non-negotiable. Mawene Ontiasa Goshopo. It's another Bocratan or the ones some about. And also Bema too. City grammar 4 also on Predia, a Kojo, a Chocodi, also on Crobema 2. Or no mass. There's a be a time and your quaquetiano. Yaponia. My father garment. I could tell on count. You have free. Was it? I could tell out. Mind you.
My sorry, or go to come or mamma Cassie.
Sports one way. Obidum dia me kwadu kumi and I can't jump once for do and I did a bunkrat and apostle head at the brain. Whenever said that Jura Plus, where Jura Plus goes, water flows. Now, for Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. Latex foam, your partner for life. Now, for Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Now, go to Herbal Center, Yarisa. If he. Manaminka Ecobank Ede abe for kwine from kokra faso edidwa well say wo ton ade say kwa kwotọ ade Ecobank Ede Ecobank Pay GHQR de abedwa so na etiawa se wo app no wo phone so ana ebi wo shop a eno an say to ade no wie ya no na fi mascan betwa ka no ano no, so it gives you that opportunity, contactless payment from anywhere, in store or online, from any bank account, any bank card, or any mobile money wallet. Na also so wait me nyasa akwenda no etisha. So make the move today and reach more customers with the new EcoBank Pay GHQR. So open Chimubi and our Simbi said 0302213999 and our 24723 no. 3225 3225. EcoBank so adwene ho nti sabre ya ebo ye ho ban free covid yare ho no hwe ho so yie na hwe adwuma efo nyina so so yie bo mo ho ban. Stay safe for business. EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank. Me beto twem komo na fe yewi a Adom Sports page 1 ye de no abraba hye ne so yewi ya no ye ba kwatia akwatia fo mu hwe anim mu tie yen wo ofie FM a mu hwe anim ye ba na ye de the big debate ye de abrel but answer na no ma mentwetwe sa enkomoyi na yenko yenim Dr. Benedicta Ohene Menu eye global president Hele Africa. I hope I got the name right. I'll be my shape cat and so Sam Sadi Doc Akwaba.
Yeja.
I want to know Hele Africa
Hele Africa
Foundation.
Hele Africa Foundation.
What is Hele Africa Foundation, Doc?
Inti Pacho Hele Africa no the Obroni bekan say acronym. Inti standard for the Health, Evolution and Lifestyle Empowerment Hub Africa. Health,
Evolution, Lifestyle Empowerment Hub Africa.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Inti a Pan-African NGO. Inti meka brofo kakra. Inti Pan-African NGO no ye seek to complement the efforts and achievements of various stakeholders, caregivers, care receivers, donors, philanthropists, institutions in order to provide quality health care delivery for Africans in Africa. Inti sana NGO no and I feel so no we're in line with WHO's definition of health. Into the WHO definition of health, no, health is not just merely the absence of disease or infirmity, but a complete state of total physical, social, mental well-being. Into Sani Manona ye NGO no ye stand for. Okay, which is Hele Africa Foundation.
Okay, into Matthias Media would be so the prime events this year.
Pacho into the year 2020, no, you shall say with a lot of enthusiasm. But senior you see him no
COVID,
coronavirus. I'm buying into MIA SQ most of our events. Into for the 2020, no, you focus BBR on coronavirus. Into the main events, no, the third challenge. Meka ho asem etwe ena awards nso a ye baba be for COVID-19 survivors.
Okay, adentina afiansa na mo share MultiMedia hudu nyina ase.
Bible ekase di ogina ho no
onhwe
na onhwe ase. Enti ewo mu se restrictions with the COVID no easy kakra yeni peak senior na yesi a few months ago restrictions no easy borders BA and I feel so koda eco schools in kakra yempese nkofo be ye obroni be ka se complacent na ema yewe efie ho nti ye say during this latter part no ye be hama message no na nkofo anye complacent afei so ye election period nkofo ye political parties be rallies any gatherings any campaigns ni ade nti nim say nkofo beba be gather together. Internet per se, your man message, coming across so that during the political rallies, Nesane man, for any complacent. And I think so in Chebia, Brunya, Ebeba, and for Ebeye, a BPA, making merry, events near the all these things, our tendency, Emma, amount for a be free on inti you focus on this period say although you need the peak of the virus during this period you're finding it necessary say still your message a relevant and percent for be complacent and percent for any beba
okay yeah to common no set challenge who said no so your acronym SCED I don't know what SCED yeah
Into your car said challenge. What is said challenge or baby? Yeah, the Beka say global corporate social media campaign. Into your campaign, involve both the local and international organizations and individual. Boa edia sayari coronavirus. Into sinusika acronym. S stands for Say No to Stigmatization and Discrimination Against COVID-19 Survivors. C stands for Celebration of COVID-19 Survivors. From heroes of COVID-19 heroes. And stands for Empower, to empower frontline workers. You can't frontline workers. In your health, media frontline workers, security frontline workers, as well as health frontline workers. And Dino stands for demonstrate the various COVID-19 preventative protocols. To say hand washing and and also donate towards the challenge. And no interest and one.
Okay, set challenge I for na year beneficiaries and now bit me enya ho emphasis.
With the said challenge, the deep parts donate sikebia ube donate a comma persons living with disability, a comma a families of the deceased.
Okay.
We find say for next of kin, especially the most vulnerable around amongst them. Your partner back on Ghana Red Cross Society, a partner with us into almost supported San Crofonubi. And aside that to Kaya for orphanages, women and children, the needy sick, local market women, and then also our research centers and transport and road department, as well as COVID-19 survivors. Into some categories where omoye the beneficiaries of the said challenge. Into the would don't say which category or say or funds, either cash on kind, a comma omo.
I see. That's brilliant. It's fantastic. But Hello Africa 2020, I think activities are a war celebration. Probably if you can throw more light on the activities.
Okay, in terms of said challenge, maka and Nsem kakra. Apart from the said challenge, awards that's slated for the 28th of November 2020. Hello Africa awards that are there. In fact, since 2017 annually and every year awards. But during 2020 sort of restricted it. Restricted just for COVID-19.
Okay.
So on the 28th of November, the Hello Africa Special COVID-19 Awards. In Tisa Awards, we incorporate miensa and targeted and areas miensa and targeted. The first area, frontline workers. Be honor frontline workers, especially omo outstanding and those who went out of their way to help fight the pandemic. And the second group of people, the posthumous awards, awarded just because of this virus, especially the frontline workers amongst them. I know so far 4 doctors and there were some other paramedics and other healthcare professionals almost locate omo den na ya onomo. And thirdly, be honor institutions omo call out of their way to support the fight against the COVID-19. Some corporate institutions being ade omo boa pa ye inti sankofo miensa way and ayata get omo during the health awards.
Okay, it's a me pese me support ana me de me ho share sa event yi mu a kwan ben so na memfa.
It is also we support sa event now. First and foremost, say wunya smartphone and a smart device. It is over our smartphone now wako your website www.helloafrica.org. It is over visit your website now. Your page be will be to me donating and I'll be to me I'll go through the process of participating in the set challenge. Currently, set challenge, our different phases. Into phase I was see and so we should TV crown for multimedia partners. Some video clips of prominent people endorsing the campaign and also participating in the challenge. Into omono the some particular people, but in the next 2 weeks, launching app B. In fact, launching but embar out, which is the set app. Into the called Google Play Store and Apple iOS Apple. Now click set app. Ube to me download the app. No.
Okay.
Now one kasa what take a video. I said TikTok video. No. Follow procedure now one kasa. Wait to me I take a video. No. But say who donate so who bet me donate on any of us.
Okay, inti I'm on your website right now.
Okay.
Inti me who new set challenge our project, contact us. So these are the
okay. So called donator. Now I scroll it down.
Okay, donate to her.
Ube who your account details.
Okay.
And now what contributing.
Oh, I see. I see your photograph here. Okay, donate. All right. Okay. And Doc, final comments now for
okay, my final comments say me catch you be a OT me and pay say coronavirus no yenya eradicate no completely enti yenya yenhwe ye ho so ye yempe second wave bia yate say other countries in Europe omonya second wave bi crampo asha lockdown ase and nim say President Trump ono crampo ye American president onya virus ni bi enche bebre enti nyina yenhwe ye ho so na so pese o participate Ebwa friend is saying in the fight against COVID-19 said challenge avenue will be to me I use so ebia wuni sika will be to me dia kwa donate ama ebia COVID-19 trust fund and bibiasa but you can use this avenue especially social media handles mesa fa akwenya we so other your partners I say which is Ghana Red Cross Society or support baby and Oxfam in Ghana.
Okay. And the MultiMedia Group. Yes.
And MultiMedia Group.
Doc with us, Musa Chino, but next time over, I had the body PC. Now, wait me, I catch you. Dr. Benedict, our Henneman, a global president, Hele Africa Foundation, and I'm in no attitude community. Call one more website, www.helleafrica.org. Na bois. Support this worthy cause. Me say ebeboa pa. And man say na crowd Kobe Stone of Kumankra.
Bakwamaka.
En soja. Yes.
Dura enyon.
Numero 1. Sheshe. Papa Kambosha o.
Papa Kambosha.
Aya chad mami. Cadence obetimenka.
Obetonka. So tonka. Papa Kambosha so. Oh, men show. Papa Kambodia. They say why digital will be a bomb anymore.
So.
Oh, wa mama digital fences am up no. Oh. Who's a baby
GPS no
story bi ni ade a. Oh. Yana edin pa anti no.
But he was speaking the kind of power.
Be abo ho agese me boss e bi me call doc kwa na so de me call doc.
Adom 106.3.
From long tennis to javelin, swimming, wrestling. The way a Tiger Woods is swinging.